Hey guys, how are y'all doing? Okay, so I had been working on these videos this morning, just trying to get used to doing this. This is so crazy. Okay, so I first wanted to say welcome to my class. I'm so excited to have you guys. I know things are a little different than what we normally would be doing, but listen, that's okay. That is all right. We are going to make the best of this, and this is going to be just a great year. Okay, so I'm going to dive in. I made us a little presentation here and to kind of help you just kind of get a vibe on how my class is going to be. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching algebraic connections in discrete this year. I'm super excited about that. I love both of these classes and just love what we can do. So lots of fun things there. Normally, if you were in my class, you would be coloring, you would be up walking around, you would be in groups. We've got to be creative this year. So give me time, be patient with me, and I definitely want to make this fun. I don't want you just to work math problems and turn them in and get a grade. I really want you to get involved and get engaged with these things. Okay, so as I'm going through, I'm going to go ahead and give you my expectations of how I want this class to be. So then when you come in, you already know. I think sometimes if I were to correct a student or, I have to, shine light on something, it kind of gives you that uneasy feeling of like, oh goodness, I just got in trouble. There's nothing like that here. I just want to go ahead and display and talk about, some expectations that I have. So, oh my goodness. And then so you can see my heart with this too. Okay. I'm going to click. Attitude will affect the outcome. If we come into this class, and I said we, right here, me too. If we come into this class in this new format that we're having to do with a fantastic attitude, we are going to come in, we're going to do our learning, we're going to do our assignments, and we're going to post our assignments, and we're going to do all these things together. This is going to be a great class. If we come in with, oh my goodness, this pandemic is stupid, and this remote learning is stupid, and everything about life is stupid, that is going to be a stinky outcome. We can't do that. We cannot. We are going to make the best of this. I will be your biggest cheerleader with all of this, but I want us to take each lesson, really get in, really absorb it, really learn it, love it. If we don't get it, that's okay. Productive struggle is great, but we're going to get in and make the best of this. We're going to have the best attitude with this whole thing because we are going to be awesome, and it's going to be good. Okay, 3 things I want to see from us. Me too, you guys, everybody. First thing we're going to do is participate. I'm going to give you assignments. You're going to do group work. We're going to do discussions. How you do discussions with math, I know. I taught math online for 5 years, so really this is really not new to me. It's just my newness and where my stress is coming from is how can I be awesome for you with all the new things that have changed. So don't stress on that. I just need you to participate. Come to class and do the work. Make it happen. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is participate. Second thing, we're going to communicate. If something happens and your Wi-Fi is just acting wonky or crazy, or you get sick, let's even go there, or a family member gets sick, or, something like that, communicate. Let me know. It's between me and you. It's personal. Now, if I hear that I couldn't turn my assignment in because I had to work, guys, that's not going to work. I work too. I've got 3 kids, a husband. I get the external, and I'm working on my master's this year, so I get the external distractions. We have got to make this a focus, okay? So I want to be awesome for you, and I need you to be awesome for me. So, but if something does come up, I want you to communicate with me firsthand, and let's make sure that we can do good. Second thing is if something crazy, if your internet is acting ugly on week 1, and then we have week 2, internet still acting crazy, and then in week 3, we might need to figure a way to get creative with our internet. I understand things are going to happen. I understand all kinds of those emotions. But if it's an on-continuing thing, we might need to, and I will be glad to help you. We might need to come up with another solution. Okay. And we might need to talk with Mr. Dukes or Miss Harris and like see what other options we could do. Okay. So just, communicate. That's as simple as it can be. Last thing is cooperate. I know, just with all of these things, if we participate and we're talking to each other and we're working, that's cooperation. And it's just, it makes our attitude good, and it makes the whole thing, it's going to be great. This whole little video here is just supposed to be your pep talk and your, just to get us excited and get us going. All right. Last two things. Synchronous learning. I'm going to be teaching y'all synchronously. That's going to be everybody comes in together on the video, on a WebEx video, and I'll go over the lessons with you. And you will have a chance to ask questions via chat or with, like coming on live. We will not do breakout rooms. You will not do WebEx meetings by yourselves. If y'all do anything as Zoom or anything else on your own, that is on your own. That has nothing to do with me, but I will not do anything that we do video-wise. I will be in there with you. Asynchronous, you're going to hear us talk about that. That is where I'm going to do a video kind of like this, but I'm going to teach a lesson. I've got my Elmo with me, and you are going to go and you can watch the video. You can go with the notes. So say your internet did act ugly that morning. You could go asynchronously and go work on your assignment and just turn it in later. I will be checking attendance, okay? And I'll cover that a little bit later. I'll do that when we have our first meeting, but I will be checking attendance to make sure that you are participating in the course. That's going to be huge. That's a Jefferson County rule. So don't get fussy with me when I, have to talk to you about attendance. Assignments will be due throughout the week. I was thinking about doing them all on like a Friday or a Sunday, but I do want you to stay alert and stay posted with the class. So some assignments will be due like on Tuesday. It might be due Wednesday, Thursday, whatever. So you do need to be engaged with this class. Check your emails and announcements. On Schoology, there is going to be a little spot for announcements. I will be posting emails. I'm a big emailer, announcements, and I might even get Remind 101 going also. So just stay with me on that. But do check your, don't be like, well, I turn my notifications off because you were sending out so many messages. I know, we're in school. And so, yes, don't turn your notifications off. I mean, we're working, we're cooperating, we're engaged, we're participating, all those emotions. Okay, guys, I have been talking for 8 minutes. I know it's a lot of words, but it's a lot of information, and I am so excited to meet each and every one of you. So email me any questions you have, and I look forward to meeting all of you.